So in this video, we're going to be talking about why oil could drop to $6 a barrel. $6 a barrel. I have a video that I will show you guys. But before I do that, stocks trading halted for 50 minutes. So a circuit breaker happened because the market dropped so much that it caused the market to hit a circuit breaker. And the markets went down big time. There's a video on it. You know, it's just after a certain level it triggers a circuit breaker, and halting across the United States got halted for 15 minutes. So yeah, after it opens up, it could drop even further. We'll see what happens. Now onto the video that talks about how oil could fall. Oh no, $3 a barrel, not $6 a barrel. My bad. Yeah. Anyways, let's begin.
I spoke to you on Thursday at the OPEC Plus meeting. Implosion would be the understatement. Goldman say $20 is on the card. Is it? And what needs to happen to take us there? Good morning.
Good morning, Manus, and good to talk with you. Look, the Russian finance minister was reassuring folks, saying we can live even at $30 a barrel oil. What I think he's going to learn is, without a swing producer and given the demand contraction, we're headed to closer to $3 a barrel than 30. So you can pick a number, 20, 25. Russia cried uncle at $26 a barrel. So as we blow through that level, there'll be some nostalgia for that in February 2016. But the point is, Russia unfortunately has to touch the stove and is going to learn that in an unbalanced market like we have now, when you suddenly don't have a swing producer, you have a precipitous fall in oil prices with really no floor in sight.
Are you for real? $3?
Well, it's going to go to shut-in costs. On a daily print, we'll go to whatever level it takes to where you lose value by bringing a barrel of oil out of the ground. We're going to fill all available storage for refined products and crude. This is just the way the hydraulics of the oil market work. We don't really have to, it's not very complicated. If we actually increase supply, which I think the Saudis will do, yep.
So I've got an IB on the go here. It's a chat with your friend of mine, Javier Blas, our resident oil expert.
Yeah.
Question from Javier. You ready?
Yep.
Is Trump going to ask the Saudis to abandon the price war, as Bush did as vice president in 1986? This is what you call depth of knowledge. Will Trump ask the Saudis to pull the plug on this price war, as Bush did in 86? Bob.
Ultimately, I think he will, but it'll be different than Vice President George H.W. Bush, who talked to the press as he was boarding the plane for Riyadh back then. I think the administration will do it more quietly and at much lower levels, because remember, the first feeling is going to be euphoria as gasoline prices drop. Economy is about to get a stimulus. It's only when we get much lower and the shale path starts to roll over and banks come into play that I think then you'll see more quiet messaging to the Saudis. So I don't expect a public message, but yes, at some point, folks have to worry about the stability of the financial system and the broader economy and the U.S. energy sector.
Do you think at this stage the White House...
But as you can see clearly, there's a possibility of a scenario oil could fall to $3, and if that does, oh my god, that would make history. If oil fell to $3 a barrel, that would make history. That's why the markets are super scary right now. You definitely should be staying away from it. Even Jim Cramer recently came out and says that a collapse in oil and a collapse in yield are both unprecedented and exceed chaos of the 2007 to 2009 today. The algorithms operate all night as trillions of dollars were trading uncharted waters. So even Jim Cramer is becoming a bear. Anyways, the market is halted right now, but as we can see, down almost 2,000 points. I think it's starting to trade right now. No, nope, still halted. Yeah, that's not good. 2,000 points. Ouch, ouch. Yeah. UWT this morning. I just completely got rid of it. I was like, yeah, I lost some money. I'm gonna show you guys how much I lost. I sold it at 168. I just got rid of it because I messed up. But hey, look at my SPY. I'm up almost 814%. This is actually a screenshot of I'm actually up more, and depending on how much the market drops when the SPY opens, I am up even more. So I'm thinking I'm up like at least 1,000%. So it makes up for this loss, but still, that's still kind of painful. I gambled on oil. Oil's my hedge to the SPY because I bought $1,000 of SPY, and my hedge against the SPY was oil, but oil dropped massively. So I made money on the SPY, but I lost massive amount of money on the oil ETF. So yeah, it sucks, but that's the reality of it. What the did market start trading again? I don't know. I don't think so. I think markets are still halted. Yeah, markets are still halted. Air Canada is down $4.49. Costco is down 3.39%. Ooh, that looks interesting. AMD is down $4.88, but it looked like stocks was starting to bounce back before we got a halt. Tesla was up. It was down early in the morning, the 605, bounced back to 1619. Space back down to 1801. Amazon, it looked like it was bouncing back a little bit. No, actually it was collapsing. Apple stock is still halted, but it was bouncing back before it got halted. Dixie brand had some news today. They're getting a reverse merger takeover and will bring the two highly recognized portfolio, including the iconic Mary's and Dixie brands. So yeah, that's kind of an interesting news. It will be the completion of the merger will happen eventually. But, we'll see what happens. I do own some shares of Dixie brand, and it kind of saved my ass from, further declines in stock price because of the halt, because of the merger. Aurora this morning, Aurora is down massively, 95 cents. I think it's halted right now. Canopy Growth. So, yeah, right now, this is the test of, are you going to buy the dip? Or is this stock going down further? Canopy Growth this morning down massively, but is halted right now. Afria is down massively. I think it's an opportunity in my opinion, but I would wait until $2. It might not drop down there. So, but this is a very attractive price to me. I really like Afria as a business, and the lower the stock price goes, the more likely I'm going to buy some more shares. I am down on my position, but, I think once earnings come back, I'll make that money back, but that's my opinion. Kronos Group down 60 cents, 10.33%. Kronos should be down way more than that. I might even buy a put option on Kronos. Tilray is down $8.09. I think we are starting to trade again, but don't know for sure. Cresco Labs this morning down massively, but it's bouncing back. Curaleaf is down probably massively, but it's bouncing back. MedMan is probably down massively, bounced back, and is falling again. Ianthus Capital this morning is down 16 cents. Looks like an extremely attractive price. True Eve is oh, look at that. True Eve hitting 52-week low. Yeah. Liberal health science, I am betting it's in the 40s. Yeah, in the high 40s, 48 cents. I think liberal health science gonna hit 40 cents. Vero health is down 3.41%. That's better than I expected. RTI this morning is down 8 cents, 0.25 cents. Yeah, that looks to me, that looks like an attractive price point too. So Harv this morning down to $2.26. What else? Oh, GTI down to $7.99. There's so many stocks on sale. Kira is probably gonna head down lower. I don't own any Kira. I do own some Cresco, and I'm down big time on that. So yeah, it's just really ugly this morning. But I think this is a buying opportunity for US MJ players. But again, it could go lower. We'll see what happens. I think the stock market is trading again. The SPY is down some more. Probably already sold my put option, but let's look at where the SPY is. The SPY is at 27 RSI level. That means that the SPY could still potentially go down more and will eventually bounce. We'll see what happens. Tesla is probably gonna go down more. AMD, yeah, probably gonna be buying some put options on that if I can. Let's see what happens. Yeah, wow, 2,200 points. That's insane. Oh yeah, market. $1,900 spot every, yeah. Oil is down. Oil is actually doing not too bad, but bouncing back a little bit. UWT, let's see what that is, 170. So it's starting to bounce back. We'll see what happens with that. Air Canada, $28.60. We'll see Loblaws at Loblaws. Loblaws only down $3.28. Better than I expected it to be. Yeah, anyways, oh yeah, let's look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing this morning? Bitcoin down to $7,733 and high blockchain 20 cents. It's halted. It's not trading. Interesting. Maybe it's halted. There's no news on it whatsoever. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.